Today I am reviewing this stationary Sysmax 12 drawer desk organizer. So I purchased this organizer to clean up my workspace and to give all of my most used work essentials a better home than what I was using before. Because listen, I had stuff all over the place and it looked a hot mess. And I needed something to help me clean that area up and to give me a more organized workspace. Now I have owned this organizer for about 2 months now, and this thing is super sturdy and it's actually super attractive, which isn't even the reason I purchased this. I purchased it for functionality, but listen, look at how beautiful this thing actually is. And my old system was this plastic 3 drawer system where I had to kind of fish through the mess anytime I needed something. So then I started junking up my desktop with pen and pencil holders and paperclip holders and post-it holders and etc. just to kind of keep that stuff organized. So I thought, and now everything is actually really organized and neatly put in one place. What I love most is not only how organized my desk now is using this, but I also find it super attractive. It's so pretty where I have space across the top for me to be able to display my clock and my calendar and like other items that I use that I need on a day-to-day basis and I can just kind of at a glance look up to. I have a place to display that stuff. And I love that I can do that without interrupting or impeding upon my actual workspace. I also love that it comes with these little dividers so I can separate some of the smaller items to give me even more order in these drawers. Because as you can kind of see, I was over here fighting, trying to untangle these paper clips and these larger clips. And what these little dividers do is they give me an opportunity to separate even those and to give me even more organization to my workspace. Would I repurchase this? Absolutely. Because first of all, I could see myself using this in my kids' arts and crafts area for their crayons and little pens and watercolors, etc. In my bathroom for my cotton balls, extra toothbrushes, etc. And even in like my tool shed for my husband in our garage for extra tools, batteries, or even my skincare area for my different serums and such. Here are your top 3 questions answered. Can its drawers be locked for security? Now, these drawers cannot be locked for security. There's no locking mechanisms on them at all. So if you're feeling like you need more security, this may not be the drawer for you. How sturdy is its overall construction? The overall construction is very sturdy. It sits very securely on my desk, as you can clearly see there, and it's filled with items. And then even me displaying things across the top. And even with that and its extra weight that's probably adding by, not even probably, that's for surely adding by me sitting things across the top, I still know that this thing is secure. I feel like my things they're holding, they're organized, and nothing's going to fall or break apart. Is its design stackable with other models? Now, I'm not sure if other brands would sit securely on top of this just based upon the description. It doesn't mention that, but it does say that if you wanted to stack the same brand shelf of the same size on top, you can do that. And I can see from there being just these 3 little holes across the top that you definitely can secure extra shelving units. You can like build up if you wanted to with the same size and same model and brand of drawers as this stationary Sysmax 12 drawer desk organizer for sure.